A brick site is more than the page you see in the browser. Behind it are templates, elements, global classes, variables, dynamic data, query loops, components, and WordPress content. Since Bricks 2.4, that structure can be made available to AI agents through Bricks AI abilities. Let's connect an agent to a clean Bricks site, install the Bricks skills, and put it to work. Starting from the WordPress dashboard, open Bricks, then AI. The screen is split into Configuration, Abilities, and Skills. Configuration handles the connection. Abilities control what the agent can use. Skills add Bricks-specific guidance inside the agent. On the Configuration tab, install and activate the WordPress MCP adapter. Then enable Bricks abilities and save the settings. Next, create a credential. The agent connects as the WordPress user selected here, so that user's WordPress capabilities and Bricks permissions still apply. For this local demo, I'll use the admin user, give the credential a name, and generate an application password.
Under Choose How to Connect, select the AI agent you use. I'm using Codex for this demo, but the same step applies to the other supported clients. The screen shows the exact config file and path for your machine. Add the generated block there, then start a new session so the client can load the connection. A quick check confirms that the agent can reach the site and see the enabled Bricks abilities. Now open the Skills tab, copy the installation prompt, paste it into the agent, and send it. Then run the verification prompt to confirm the Bricks skills are loaded. We're starting with a clean local WordPress install. Bricks and ACF are active, along with the adapter we just connected. ACF's abilities are enabled too. There is no existing design system or page content, and I've added a small set of property photos for the demo. The site will be for Alder & Rowe, a real estate company with a warm editorial direction. For the first task, I'll ask the agent to create the homepage and its design system using native brick structure, reusable BEM-style classes, and fluid variables for color, typography, and spacing. The prompt also asks it to check the finished page on desktop and mobile. I'll paste the prompt and send it now. Now let's check the front end. The home page uses warm off-white and deep olive, serif type, and property photography throughout. Open the same page in Bricks, and it is a normal, editable page structure. Sections and containers organize the layout, while repeated patterns share global classes. In Style Manager, the agent created fluid spacing and type variables, a named color palette with generated shades, and reusable BEM-style global classes. Those variables and classes keep the page easy to adjust. We can keep refining the result visually too, so I'll switch the header's inner container to a horizontal layout and save. Next, I'll ask the agent to create the property content model in ACF and add 8 sample listings using the images already on the site. Through the same connection, the agent used ACF's abilities to create the listing post type, its taxonomies, custom fields, and the sample properties. Everything remains editable in the normal WordPress and ACF screens. Next, I'll ask for a listings page using a native Bricks query loop, dynamic property data, and a set of filters. I'll paste that prompt and send it now. On the front end, the page uses the property content we just created, and the filters update the listing cards. Open it in Bricks, and we can inspect the query loop, dynamic tags, and filter connections the agent configured. Finally, I'll ask the agent to turn the homepage call to action into a reusable Bricks component without changing its design. The content and link should become component properties, so each instance can be adjusted without rebuilding the section. The front end is unchanged after the conversion. In the builder, the call to action is now a component instance with its properties ready to edit. The same connection can support design systems, site building and maintenance, or bringing a design from another builder or design tool into Bricks. The finished work remains a normal Bricks site. Its classes, variables, elements, dynamic data, query settings, and component properties are all there to inspect and edit in the Visual Builder. For setup details, permissions, and troubleshooting, see the Academy article linked below.